In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude usage limits. Free extension. If you are using the free version of Claude, it helps to know exactly how far you can go in a session so you can get more done without unexpected cutoffs. Free users typically have a window of about 5 hours where they can send a certain number of short messages. In most cases, you will see somewhere between 15 and 40 messages available in that window. During peak times though, demand can shrink that range to as low as 3 to 10. That variability is why tracking your usage in real time is so valuable. A simple way to do that is with a Chrome extension that shows you precisely when your session is nearing its limit. Free options, such as the Claude usage tracker. Display live counters so you can plan your final prompts before the window closes. Install a reputable tracker from the Chrome Web Store, pin it to your toolbar, and make sure you are signed in to Claude in your browser. With the counter visible, you will see how many messages you have left and roughly how much session time remains. When you notice you are getting low, take a moment to consolidate your remaining questions into one clear, comprehensive prompt, so you can finish strong. Another reliable strategy is to start a new chat every 15 to 20 messages. Fresh chats keep your conversation lighter and more focused, which helps Claude respond efficiently and reduces the chance that older, less relevant context eats into your message budget. When you open a new thread, bring forward only the essentials: your goal, key constraints, and any examples the model needs. This quick reset maintains momentum while keeping usage tidy. You'll also get more value from each message by consolidating prompts. Instead of sending several small follow-ups, gather related questions and context into a single well-structured request. Briefly outline the task. List the sub-questions in one go, and include the necessary background once. This cuts down on back and forth, keeps your conversation coherent, and helps you stay within the available message range. If your tracker shows the limit approaching, use that as a cue to bundle remaining items into one final prompt that asks for a concise, prioritized answer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.